what we have earlier, yung seminar about gearing up for the future, is really helpful for the students, most especially nowadays, kasi maraming challenges and maraming mga obstacles. So, yung binigay po na seminar ni Mr. Myron, I believe that will be helpful for them and in the coming future para na rin sa success nila in their careers in life. So, thank you, Mr. Myron, for giving us the opportunity para malaman yung experiences nyo and at the same time to learn from. Thank you so much.
Yung pinaka-nagustuhan ko kasi sa seminar namin is yung sinabi ko ni Mr. Myron na if ever daw you want to learn something new, na always keep your bottle empty. Kasi parang sometimes I am so full of myself na parang ni-remind na niya na parang be successful nga. Siyempre dapat ka maging parang humble, always parang treat mo sarili mo na wala kang alam. So that yung dapat mong matutunan talaga, dapat matututunan mo siya. Tapos yung sinabi niya, ano po yun? Yung sabi niya, if ever meron obstacle, just keep, nadapa ka, bangon ka lang ng bangon. Kasi parang sometimes, ang hirap kasi bumangon, lalo na pag ganyan. So parang naging refresher siya na, oo, dapat ito nga pala yung gawin ko. Bakit ako nandito? Thank you, Mr.
Hi, I'm Annalie. We are actually the organizer of this seminar for Mr. Myron Santa Ana. What I like about the seminar is that it's with fun. I was able to connect with him through his icebreaker game, and I learned a lot, especially for the insights and experiences that he've shared to us. And yeah, it's fun actually kasi may humor din kasama. So, it was an experience kasi hindi lahat ng speaker were able to connect with those audiences, and I am thankful for this opportunity that he had given to us.
I'm Susan Yu. Sa seminar na to, during the seminar, na-connect ko yung mga videos ko na pwede palang i-laugh daw, sabi ni Sir, na hindi na iyak ako ng lagi pagka na-read ko yung mga videos ko and get over sa mga videos ko na ano ko this years. Because kahit na wala pa akong mga honors or whatever awards as of now, pero I think that makaka-successful din ako for the future. And thank you for your inspirational talk, and I'll follow you in the future. Thank you.
Yung first time ko na in-approach si Sir Myron sa Facebook, akala ko katulad din siya ng other speakers na hindi mag-reply for student lang ang nag-reply. Tapos nung nagulat ako talaga na nag-reply siya sa amin na sabi niya na he is willing to do a seminar here sa Chiang Mai na kahit ano na lang yung kaya namin ibigay. Sobrang thankful talaga kami dahil pumayag siya. Kasi this is our first ever seminar dahil sobrang hirap po kami maghanap ng speaker. Pero thanks to Sir Myron na kung isipin mo, top 5 pa siya sa pinakamagaling magsalita dito sa Philippines. Tapos pumayag pa siya. Kaya sobrang thankful kami sa kanya dahil pumayag siya. Tapos yung mga natutunan ko sa kanya ngayon, surely talaga ma-apply ko siya in the near future. Kasi parang ako mismo hindi ko alam kung ano na mangyayari sa akin after college. Kasi hindi ko na rin alam kung yun pa talaga yung gusto kong path na i-take. So, na-enlighten talaga ako dun sa mga sinabi niya that I should always do what my passion is. So, thank you, sir. I hope to see you again soon sa mga other seminars mo. At saka sana magkanta ka ulit dito ng seminars.